Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fish miso soup. First, let's prepare the dashi broth, which is the heart of any great miso soup. You'll need about 4 cups of water, a piece of kombu, and a handful of bonito flakes. Bring the water to a gentle simmer with the kombu, then remove the kombu and add the bonito flakes. After about 30 seconds, strain the broth. This creates a light, umami-rich base. Next, let's prepare our main ingredients. Choose about 6 ounces of fresh, firm white fish, like cod or snapper, and cut it into 1-inch pieces. For vegetables, slice about 1/2 cup of daikon radish and 1/4 cup of carrots into thin, bite-sized shapes. Add these to your dashi broth and simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Avoid overcooking to maintain texture. Conversely, lists are perfect for simpler, more structured data organization, where ease of use is paramount. Think of them for managing task lists, inventories, or contact information. They provide a clear, linear way to present data, making it incredibly easy to add, sort, and filter items quickly. Many applications and platforms seamlessly integrate list functionalities, allowing for straightforward collaboration and information sharing without the complexity of advanced formulas or extensive formatting options. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious fish miso soup. Ladle the warm soup into individual bowls. For a fresh touch, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of finely chopped green onions. This adds a lovely color and a mild, oniony crunch. Serve it immediately to enjoy its comforting warmth and rich flavors. This simple yet satisfying soup makes a wonderful light meal or a perfect accompaniment to any Japanese-inspired dinner.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.